Today we're going to talk about the best medicine for skin diseases. For conditions like psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis, fungal infections, acne, pimples, or conditions where mainly burning sensation is present, whether it is the internal burning sensation like the gastritis, acid reflux, there is ulcerative colitis, irritable bowel syndrome, there is burning while urination, or external burning sensation like a wound, skin infection, injury, there is some ulcer, mouth ulcer. For condition where the patient often complains, I have more excessive sweating as compared to others, or I have excessive sweating only over my palms. My exams don't tell me how I have passed them. Many people use this medicine in conditions of fever, low appetite, low immune system, and it has the best results from day one. It has been used on patients in over 40 plus countries, and patients see instant results, about which we're going to discuss in this video, along with all the benefits and the way of consumption of this particular herb. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Namaste everyone, welcome to Jyovis Hospital of Ayurveda and Aesthetic Center, Mumbai. We're talking about ushir. Ushir is known by various names like vetiver, there is vetivera, khaskhas, it has a lot of names. Ushir is mainly a choice of herb for pitta related disorders. Wherever pitta is present, burning sensation is present, in simple words, for a wide range of problems, we see positive effects of ushir from the first day itself. Ushir is a very powerful medicine. There has been a research done on its antioxidant potential and its anti-tuberculosis effect, and it has proven to be a successful medicine. In the classical text, it is beautifully explained as Ushiram Shitalam Rukshaswadu Tiktalagu Hema. It is said as Pachanam Stambanam Hanti Doshadaha Mother Jwaranam, which means it is Ushir Shitalam, cool in its potency, it is dry in its qualities, it is light to digest, it is bitter and sweet in taste. Pachanam, which means it helps in the Amadosha Pachan, which means the diseases where the toxic waste product which is there in the intestine, because of which we see n number of problems, there Ushir is acting as a beautiful medicine. So for Pachan, then is Stamban, to stop the bleeding disorders like bleeding from the anus, bleeding from the nose, mouth, where patients excessively, they experience constant nausea, vomiting. The episodes are there is blood discharge from the nose, from the mouth, there is bleeding disorders. Immediately when we use the medicines like this Vasa, which is Adursa, we use Khadir, we use Pravar, we use Shankar, and when we use this medicine Ushir, we see patient instantly the bleeding disorders are stopped. It is said as Daha, which means burning sensation. Wherever it is present, Ushir is the choice of herb. It is Madahar, Mother Jwarana. Madahar, which means if a person has led to alcohol intoxication, first one must consume Ushir Siddhajal or Ushir medicine should be given for the complete hydrating effect and a cooling effect. Again, it is said as Jwarana, which means to reduce the fever. For n number of medicines which are meant for fever in Ayurveda, Ushir is present most of the time because it is effectively reducing the body temperature. It is cool in potency. So from the first dose itself, patients experience a good change. We discussed in the video of Shadanga Pani as well. Out of 6 herbs, Ushir is one of them, which makes it a potent medicine. There are various references of Ushir, various texts have explained about Ushir and its wonderful benefits. Ushir is also said to reduce the excessive sweating. For those patients, immediately decoction sip by sip throughout the day or an external paste application over the palms, over the armpit. Within few days of applications, we see that the sweating has reduced. For skin infections, internal as well as external use of Ushir is very much effective. For Trusnahar, patients who experience excessive thirst, we commonly see in diabetic patients, but also the non-diabetic patients who constantly feel like they are thirsty. When Ushir is used, they no more have that feeling. Again, to revise overall, Agni Dipan, Agni Pachan, burning sensation, skin disease, excessive thirst, excessive sweating, gastritis, acid reflux, mouth ulcers, wherever you see Pitta related disorders, burning disorders, Paitic Vikar, you see Ushir is giving outstanding changes. They say there is no cure for migraine, for headaches, But haven't you started using ushir? Start using and you'll see that migraines and headaches are simply curable with the easy Ayurvedic herbs. Of course, there are greater formulations for big diseases, chronic disorders, stubborn condition, but we have seen in various cases patient was having recurrent ulcers, urinary tract infections, recurrent problems again and again, not for a year or two, but for over 15, 20 years. Condition since childhood patient is having migraine, childhood burning sensation while urinating. If ushir is used for just a period of 15 days, 1 month, 3 months, patient's problems are solved not for that period, but it solves it right from the root cause because the root cause is to balance the dosh and not give any symptomatic relief. Ushir is used in tablet form, powder form, a decoction is made. A siddha gel is something that we commonly advise to all our patients. 1 liter water, 4 teaspoon medicine, boil it, make it up, strain the liquid, and sip by sip consume this liquid throughout the day. There are various Ayurveda formulations like the Ushira Asam, which is mainly indicated for skin diseases. There is Gopan Ganadi Kashayam, again for a wide range of problems. A practitioner decides it. Again, there are medicines like the Niso Siradi oil, which is for external application for the diabetic carbuncles, for abscesses. We spoke about Shadanga Paniya, where Ushir is present. There are various creams where vetiver essential oil is present, which makes it a very effective skin cream. So there are various benefits of ushir. Any doubts, any questions, let us know in the comment section below. This was all for now. Until next time from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.